when you put someone in a training course, you put several lectures in there for a week or for 10 weeks or whatever it is, and at the end of that time, their brain is absolutely buzzing with information and with excitement and with the sense of opportunity around digital. But it's actually the very first 10 minutes when they get back into work is the most important 10 minutes, because it's now, how am I going to take that from the classroom and implement it or apply it in the workplace? And that's why our programs are wrapped in a methodology, a digital marketing methodology, to allow people to actually implement. What our syllabus and our programs are based on is a kind of a three-legged stool, in a sense. It's our own design in terms of the program design and structure. And the crucial ingredient is the subject matter expert, validation, and delivery. So there's over 150 digital agencies now around the globe that actually validate the syllabus almost on a weekly basis. So there are monthly subject matter expert meetings in each topic, and they feed into the syllabus, and they look at the learning items, and they change, and they tweak, and they update on an ongoing basis. That's absolutely crucial. And finally, the third piece of the puzzle is the Industry Advisory Council, and that is the industry itself, the digital industry. So the EU Advisory Council, the latest meeting of it had Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Microsoft, Intel, PayPal, eBay, and about 10 other organizations. So that's our opportunity to allow the industry itself to feed into. So it's the Google search team that actually validates the Google aspects of the program in that sense, which is absolutely crucial. So all of that basically means that what we've been able to do is take these programs out through organizations like NIIT around the globe at this stage. And as I say, I think it's about 20,000 students by the end of this year.